Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about list of allergy-free dogs. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about list of allergy-free dogs is en.wikipedia.org. Specifically the page titled List of Dog Breeds, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.dogguide.net, especially the page Hypoallergenic Dogs List, the best dog breeds for people. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site en.wikipedia.org. The web page List of Dog Diseases, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link.